Passengers aboard Royal Caribbean's Vision of the Seas experienced a dramatic moment at sea when the ship encountered massive waves on its return journey from Bermuda. The incident, captured in viral video footage now spreading across multiple social media platforms, shows the 78,340 gross ton cruise ship rocking violently as service carts with dishes slide across dining room floors and glassware shatters into pieces. The ship departed Baltimore on September 20th, 2026, for a 5-day round-trip voyage to Bermuda. It was heading back to its Maryland home port when waves unexpectedly struck, causing the vessel to list severely for several minutes. In the video posted by a user, crew members can be seen holding hands while trying to stabilize service carts as guests grip tables and chairs to avoid falling. A passenger said the ship hit the waves the wrong way and rolled over for several minutes. Everyone was holding on, trying not to slip. They described scenes of dishes and glassware falling to the floor in restaurants and lounges throughout the vessel. The bar floor was the worst, with glass and alcohol everywhere, they explained, adding that the crew quickly cordoned off slippery areas to protect guests. Despite the chaos, no injuries were reported. The same passenger noted that several passengers lost their balance during the rolling, and some children were frightened. But thanks to the crew's training and quick actions, the situation was kept under control. The clip has attracted significant attention online, with over 5.4 million views at the time of publication, and a follow-up clip reaching over 1.3 million views. Hundreds of viewers have shared their opinions. Some experienced sailors noted that rough seas are part of the experience, while others admitted they would have been disturbed by the sudden motion. Vision of the Seas, one of Royal Caribbean's oldest ships, is a Vision-class vessel built in 1998 that can carry over 2,000 passengers. Although the ship is equipped with stabilizers designed to minimize motion, large waves can overwhelm even modern cruise technologies. These rare waves, known to sometimes be defined as waves that exceed more than twice the height of surrounding seas, can catch vessels off guard. In this case, the incident occurred near the end of the voyage. Passengers reported that the sudden listing lasted only a few minutes, but the consequences were widespread. Broken glass and overturned dishes made dining areas temporarily unusable until staff completed cleanup and safety checks. Social media commentators praised the crew for maintaining composure, while chaos unfolded around them. One user called the steady handling of the sliding cart a very impressive catch, while another noted that cleanup was probably a challenging task. Some even noted that the rocking reminded them why they love cruising. One frequent cruiser said the swaying felt like being rocked to sleep like a baby. Vision of the Seas safely returned to Baltimore and is now on its next voyage, a 9-day sailing to Canada and New England that departed September 25th, 2026.